Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Esther, and today I've come with a new video. Today we are making bread. I bought yeast and I did buy the all-purpose flour. So today we are making the normal bread, yeah? So before we begin, I want to thank you, the people who have subscribed to my channel. Now I have 94 subscribers. I'm very happy. Oh, you don't know what that means to me. That every subscriber counts in this channel in order for it to grow, and I am thankful for all of you. And for those who haven't subscribed, please kindly just hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, of which I do upload almost every day. So yeah, you won't get bored in this channel. That's what I'm trying to say. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let's start baking bread. So here we have our ingredients. Here I have warm water, as you can see. It's half a cup, and then we're gonna add sugar because we want some taste. So sugar, this is 3/4, and then we're just gonna that's enough. This is a lot. This is a 10-gram sachet. Bake it with warm water and sugar, and then we'll cover and set it aside. Now in our bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, like that. Then we're just gonna mix in everything. Meanwhile, as we wait for that to rise, we're gonna oil our baking pan, our bread mold, like that. Yes, it looks good. Activated, then we pour it in, and then we mix everything in. So at this point, I'm gonna add some oil to my dough. We don't want to add a lot of flour, not to dry it out. So that is ready. So we're gonna cover for it to raise. We're gonna leave it for like 10 minutes, 10-20 minutes. So our dough has risen. So let's try and give it shape, yeah? Although it will rise and cover all those nooks, we cover it to rise again. Set it in a one place. So it's been a while, yeah? So let's see our bread. Oh, it's well risen, as you can see. Look at it. Oh. It's funny. Okay, now we put it in the oven. This is the outcome. So we're gonna let it rest, and then we're gonna cut it into slices. But so far, so good. Looks amazing. So here is the bread that I've made. So let's... This is how it looks like. Okay, yeah, I have hiccups. So let's try and slice it. The moment I have the tiniest serrated knife. I need a big serrated knife, but this is what I have at the moment. Look at that. Look at that. I actually made bread that is perfect. Look. Oh wow, I'm so proud of myself. So crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Look. Here is the slice of bread. As you can see, I made bread. Actual bread this time. Well, the other one was a try recipe. This one I knew about, so if you haven't, please do subscribe. Like, comment, share, and if you try one of my recipes, don't forget to comment down below. Until next time, I'll see you later.